Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Okay, these are the parts. You have a left and a right. Both of these are left. Both of those are right. Then you have the sleeves. Those are part number. These are door last parts. These are all the tools you need. You need a fork right there. You need a hammer. 3/4 for some. For others, 18 millimeter. 11/16 or 17 millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna take it down whole, complete. Just gotta take it off from the idle arm. You know, all the pieces come together. Even the center link. Then I'm assembling and put it on hold instead of one piece at a time. Okay, all come in pieces. This is whole. That's the left side, in and outer, in the sleeve. That's the right side, inner and outer, and the sleeve. That's the center link. That's the idle arm. Okay. Start putting it together. Okay. There's your new idle arm. Goes like that. Also, to put it together, I got some bearing greases and some WD-40 assembly lube. And those all of the trash, empty boxes. And this is the part number for the idle arm. Okay, got all my parts in, except the left sleeve. It's no good. It's not going on smooth. I'm not gonna force it. Just the old part for the right, old part for the left, inner and outer tie rod with the sleeve. Inner and outer tie rod in with the sleeve. There's the idle arm. That's the new idle arm on there. All these parts is new. Okay, take it back to AutoZone.